What's up, guys? Excellent. Love here doing a little unboxing video for you guys. Just got my RGH in, just came in through the mail, through the UPS. So just gonna do a little unboxing. Well, I really won't need a knife for this, but the box is kind of beaten up. But hey, whatever. Still got it. Alright, see the Xbox. Oh, bubble wrap. There you go. And that was all that came in the box. And we got good old bubble wrap. Good old, just regular Falcon RGH. There you go. I will do a little boot for you. There we go. Looks good condition. So I'm just gonna go grab a power cord real fast, show you the LEDs, and I'll be right back. This is unboxing for JTM Able. Super legit. Had a little confrontations, but he still stuck through. He got the whole thing. Still shipped the console, no problems. Guys, legit. If you guys want to buy a cheap, good console, go to him for it. I can see everything in here. Everything looks really properly installed. Give the console a clean, it'll be good as new. There we go. JTM Able's console shop. Legit.